Hey guys, this is Deepika from DesiCurly and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to deep condition and style your hair. Now here I am making a DIY deep conditioner using Inner Sense Hydrating Cream Conditioner, which is amazing, and Soulflower Cold Press Jojoba Oil. You can use any oil, but make sure you don't add a lot of it. Mix it all nicely and you are done. This is my freshly washed hair using a CG friendly shampoo and Inner Sense Hydrating Cream Conditioner. So here I'm going to use my DIY deep conditioner that I prepared and which smells really nice actually. So I'm going to use it and spread it all through my hair using praying hands motion and rake in motion. Please watch the motion very carefully, that's the most important part, and make sure the mid-length and the ends get properly covered with the deep conditioner because they need it the most. Also, I will mention the link of Inner Sense Hydrating Cream Conditioner if you want to know where did I buy it. It's really nice, I must say. It's very creamy, it's very slippery, it's a must buy. I will now secure my hair in a bun using a clutch clip at the top of my head. I'll now cover my hair with a shower cap or a polythene bag, and then I'll cover my hair with a cotton t-shirt or a deep conditioning cap because that will provide heat, and heat is very important while deep conditioning. Now wait for 30 minutes to 1 hour and then you are done and you can rinse off your deep conditioner. Use the time and cook some good food while you are deep conditioning. Now that I have rinsed out all the deep conditioner out of my hair, I will take a white tooth comb and brush it through my hair. This will remove all kinds of knots from my hair as well as prepare my hair for styling. You can notice as I brush it through my hair, as I move it through my hair, nice clumps are forming in my hair. Now my hair actually feels thick and I want them to be seaweedy and thin and flowy, and I don't want them dry or damp. So I'm adding and swishing some water to my hair and preparing it for styling. Make sure the hair is really wet. Now I'm using the Inner Sense Hydrating Cream Conditioner as leave-in and I have taken some quantity. Now I emulsify it in my hands and spread it through my hair before raking it in. Now I'll start to rake it all in, and while adding more and more quantity because I like it that way. Rake it all in for nice distribution of product. There should be uniform distribution. You will notice that I have taken a lot of quantity for leave-in because I like it that way. I don't like to add creams in between usually, but I like to use a lot of leave-in. So what you can do is tweak that according to your hair needs, experiment with the quantity of leave-in and gel and see what your hair likes. If your hair doesn't like a lot of leave-in, then don't use a lot of leave-in, but make sure your hair doesn't get weighed down by usage of creams and oils, and make sure your hair is nicely moisturized with ample amount of leave-in. Now spend some time in raking the leave-in in your hair. This will serve two purposes. The first one is nice clump formation. If you notice, as I rake my fingers in my hair, nice clumps are already forming. The second purpose is uniform distribution of products. You need uniform distribution of whatever products you are using. So make sure you rake your fingers in your hair like you finger comb your hair. Now it's time for the gel. Now I'll be using DesiCurly Light Defining Gel, and just like leave-in, I have used a lot of gel as well. So now I'm going to emulsify it in my hands along with some amount of water and work it through my hair. Whatever products that you use, make sure you emulsify that in your hand with some amount of water before applying it to your hair. Now again, spend some time on your hair, rake the gel in your hair, and you'll see nice clump formation already. Do you see those nice juicy clumps? Now here comes my favorite part, scrunch and pump. Here what I'm doing is I am scrunching my curls from the bottom up till my scalp and then pumping it. How I am pumping it? I am opening and closing my fist very quickly to cause the pumping motion, and you will hear a nice squishing sound when you do it. This will squeeze out all the excess water and products and give nice curl definition, especially to wavies and 3A, 3B curlies that have loose curls. I personally like to do it for a long time since I have very loose pattern, so this gives me really nice definition. Otherwise I can't have nice definition, that's the truth. So I like to do it with my hands for a very long time. Now I'm going to use an old cotton t-shirt to scrunch my hair and remove all the excess amount of water and products out of my hair. I personally don't like to do it for a long time because that removes more than required amount of products out of my hair, and I don't want that. Now here I am plopping my hair in the cotton t-shirt. You can also use a microfiber towel for all these things, and I'm going to do this for 10 to 15 minutes and not longer, and then I'm going to air dry it after removing the plop. Now my hair is 100% dry after 3 to 4 hours of air drying, but it feels a little stiff and crunchy and hard. This is because of usage of gel, and there is nothing to worry. Now I'm going to use scrunching motion, and it is called scrunch out the crunch. I'm going to break the gel cast, and I'll use scrunching motion in very gentle manner and break the gel cast, and that will reveal nice bouncy soft curls. Now I'm going to massage the scalp, and that will give me nice root volume, but make sure you don't slide your fingers through your hair and just insert the finger near the scalp and then remove it that way only. Be very careful, be very gentle, don't break the curls. Now I'm going to use my favorite hair tool, that is the hair pick or the root comb or the African comb, and I'm going to pick my roots, and that will give a nice boost in volume at the roots itself. It's a very essential tool for me and very inexpensive as well. You can find it on Amazon, Nykaa, on Walmart, Target, everywhere. And these are the final results. Nice bouncy, defined, moisturized curls. That is all what I want, right? What do you think? Do leave a comment down below. If you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And do follow my Instagram handle DesiCurly for daily updates. And by the way, thanks for dropping by and thanks for watching.